So good morning children. So today we'll continue with our reading of the textbook. As I told you earlier, I am with the old edition textbook, and the one who are having new edition, just follow the subtopics. Am I clear? So we discussed about connective. Now let us move on to what muscular tissue. So now what are these muscular tissue? Consisting of elongated cells are called muscle fibers, isn't it? Now from here children, the tissue is responsible for movement in our body up till there. Okay, so that is what is the function of muscle tissue. Muscle tissues, they bring out the movements of various parts of our body. Okay, now let us move on to the next one. Now muscle cells contain, muscle cells contain special proteins called contractile proteins. Up till here children. Okay, so what is it? What is the composition of muscle cells? So they are fibrous, made up of contractile proteins. And what is the benefit of this contractile protein? Help in contraction and relaxation of muscles to bring out the movements. Okay, then move down further. Now here if you see, these are the three different structures of muscle fibers. Okay, this is your, which one? Yes, voluntary muscles. Okay, and then involuntary muscles and cardiac muscles. So these are the structural differences between both all the three types of muscles. So even tick all these figures. Okay, then coming over here, from here children, okay, we can move some muscles by conscious will. Okay, so muscles present in our limb, from here, muscles present in our limb move when we want them to and stop when we want to. Such muscles are called voluntary muscles, only put in the bracket. Then these muscles are also called skeletal muscles. Why they are called skeletal? The name itself tells, as they are attached to bones and help in body movement. Okay, and then come to here, these muscles show alternate light and dark bands or striations. Okay, up till here, this is what structure. Okay, you can underline this part. Clear? Then as a result, they are called striated muscles. Then again another point, the cells of this tissues are long, cylindrical, unbranched and multinucleate. This is point, next point. Okay, so this is about structure of which muscle? Voluntary muscles. Then coming over here, the movement of the food in the alimentary canal or the contraction and relaxation of blood vessels are involuntary movements up till here. These are examples. Examples of which movements? Involuntary movements. So we cannot really start them or stop them simply by wanting. Hence, they are called as involuntary movements. So where are they found? Another other examples. These are examples. Which one? In the alimentary canal and in the blood vessels. Coming to other examples, iris of the eye, uterus, in the bronchi of the lungs. Okay, these are all examples. Then again start from here. The cells are long with pointed ends and nucleated, having a single nucleus. Okay, up till here, this is about whom? Structure. You can write here structure. Then they are called as unstriated. Now here itself he is asking you a question, why they are called as unstriated? What could be your answer? As they do not have light and dark bands or the striations. Okay, then come over here, the muscles of heart show rhythmic contraction and relaxation throughout life. These involuntary muscles are called cardiac muscles. So here itself, the type of the muscle and what is the function. Never write it helps in pumping of blood. It should be always rhythmic contraction and relaxation. That helps in pumping of blood. Then coming to the structure, cylindrical, branched, uninucleate. Okay, then fine. Okay, of course he's asking you to compare the differences, so you just mark these figures. Then coming to the last one, nervous tissue. Okay, the nervous tissue, you can start from here. Uh, the cells of the nervous tissue are highly specialized for being stimulated and transmitting the stimulus. Okay, up till your function. Then the brain, spinal cord, and nerves are all composed of the nerve tissue. Where are they located? They are found in your brain, they are found in spinal cord, they are also found in the nerves. Then the other name, start another bracket. The cells of this tissue are called nerve cells or neurons. Okay, then coming to this part. A neuron consists of a cell body till hair-like parts arise. Okay, now these are called as dendrites. You add a word over here called dendrites. Okay, this is point one. That is, okay, then each neuron has a single long part called the axon and many short branches called dendrites. This is point two. Okay, and okay, now what is this? This is the structure of neuron. Okay, now turn the page. You will be able to see the figure. Okay, now this is a figure. So extensions on the cell body, dendrites. Okay, then the middle nucleus. This is our axon with the nerve endings. Okay, then coming into, so what is the function of the nerves? This they enable the combination of nerves and muscle tissues are fundamental to most animal. It is when nerve and muscle work together we are able to move and also able to respond to stimuli. Okay children, so I hope you are thorough with the textual points which has to be underlined. Okay, thank you, have a good day.